Hola clase, ya vamos para la semana 9. Vamos a ver lo que ustedes tienen que entregar. Espero que todos estén bien. Okay, so on Wednesday, the 14th, you need to turn in the activities for Chapter 10, Culture. And these are part of the tareas. Okay, and then the following Sunday, October 18th, we have quiz 2 with a partner. And I know that some of you had difficulties using the Connect to record the quiz. So I'm going to allow you to complete this through Zoom, and I'm going to I'm going to have a submission box for those of you who want to complete it through Zoom that will be in Blackboard. That way you can complete the quiz either in Connect or you can take the prompt. So you and your partner will log into the quiz, see what the prompt is, and then from there, meet through Zoom and record yourselves having a conversation based on the prompt. And then once that is completed, you will send me the Zoom link and you will put it in the submission folder in Blackboard. Okay, so if you go to the course content page on our Blackboard site and you scroll down, you will see that after the cultural project and the top chapter 10 culture for tareas, we do have here the quiz 2 with a partner, or you have the Zoom submission. So if you and your partner cannot record through Connect, record it through Zoom and then you can turn it in here. So you'll be receiving a grade for either one. So you either do it in Connect and receive a grade, or you do it through Zoom and receive a grade. You do not have to do it twice. I do not expect you to do it twice. It's just if you have an issue completing it through Connect, you have the option to do it through Zoom, okay? And I put some instructions here as well. So if you have any questions about this, please reach out to me.